Hey, welcome back. All right, so today we're going to be taking a quick look at Five and Below to see what they have for room decor. All right, so first, these pillows. I think these pillows are so cute because of the little tassel detail on the side, and they are $5.55. They come in two colors, and then if you're not into tassels, they have the regular like Sherpa pillow, but if you are, they have the Sherpa tassel mixed, which I think is so cute. And then of course, they have the little area rugs. I thought this little area rug kind of went with the turquoise kind of blue pillow. So if you were looking to, match it up, and then, the rugs are $5.55, and then they have, different ones. Of course, they have a lot of baskets now, which is great for storage. We've seen those before, but I don't think I've ever seen this. It's a rainbow hook, so you'll have that rainbow shape when you put it over your door. So you'll hang it over your door, and you'll have that little rainbow shape and hang your things. And it came in two colors. It came in white and it came in black. I'm not sure if we've seen this basket before, but I thought it was cute with the white and the little black trim on it. Of course, we've seen all of the cute little shelving that they have. I'm not sure if I've seen this one before. I think it was $10, and it had like the mirror, and you can close it. I thought that was interesting. Then these bins, $5.55. I just got my daughter some bins with tops on it, and I think a bin with a top on it is so nice. And this one came in a bunch of different colors, so that is great because you'll be able to close off all your stuff, which is good. This thought was cute, little mirror with a smile, so you get a piece of wall decor, and you get a little mirror to check yourself on the way out, which I think is cute. And then these little pieces of wall decor, I wish they had them in different colors, but $5.55 I believe it was, or $5, and you get a set of two, so you'll have little wall decor, especially if you're looking to do your dorm room or something like that. This shelf, it said it held up to 30 pounds, and I think this one was $10. So it said it held up to 30 pounds, and it gave you that nice little boho vibe. These little hooks, of course, here, $5.55, and these came in two colors too, so you can put these at your entryway. This, I love a cute little pegboard. I think this one was wood because the box felt kind of heavy, so you'll get that, and you'll get the two little attachment pieces in it. This office storage kind of organizer thing, I just like the little gold pieces. I think I might have showed it before. And then of course little decorative pillows, different things like that. These, I'm not sure if I've ever shown these little clear hooks, and you can put those over your door. Thought those were cute. If you're into incense, this was $3.25, and they came in two different colors, and I just thought it was a nice little pop of color, but you can get the regular ones if you're not into it. Of course, Five Below has a lot of lighting now. So they have like table lighting, they have string lighting, they have a bunch of different lighting. This little lamp I thought was cute, like I said, again, for a dorm room decor or something like that. And it was going to be $5.55, and it was compact. I love these kind of bowls. I have these, not from Five Below, but from Urban Outfitters, and I didn't get mine for $5, so that is a good deal. And it comes with the little chopsticks, great for noodles, and even if you're not eating noodles. It was a little thin, but you get 42 pieces, so, and you get all the different colors, so you're going to get a top with each one, so it's really like 24 pieces, and then not 24, 21 pieces, and then the tops. And then these little ombre lights, and I thought those were cute. Might have showed those before. This, I might have shown it before, but I just always think it's cute because you could put this on your desk, and you could put your phone in there, and it was only $4. You could put little stuff in there and keep it off the table, and have that table space free. This right here to go along with the other organizer, or cute little tray to put your mail and different things in. These little pictures, they have a lot of little picture sets now, and they're about $5.55 for most of them. I thought this was cute. This do what makes you oh so happy, and it looks like donuts. I don't know, it looked like little sprinkles. This bed set, the sheets, it wasn't super thick, but it wasn't super thin, so I thought that was a nice, if you're looking for a bed set. The organizer is only $5. So if you work from the bed, or you want to put stuff over stuff, I think that was a good find. This monitor stand. So like I said, for room decor, for if you're getting ready for college, you want to get your dorm room ready, go on over to Five and Below, and they have a lot of nice little pieces. Or if you want to just get your home office together, Five Below has a lot of nice little pieces. This I think I've shown before, but I wasn't completely sure. But it has the mirror and then the hooks and the trays, so you can organize all this stuff. Of course, more baskets and stuff. These, I'm not sure I've seen these before, but it's a set of 4 stackable storage boxes. So you'll be able to stack up your shoes and organize them. And it was $10. They only had that one left at my Five Below. Five Below has come out with a lot of cute little greenery pieces. I've seen that garland before, but these I thought were super cute. So for $5.55, I believe, and you can see, I don't know if you can see the little holder. It was just cute, and it gave me a nice little piece of room decor. And then they had the bigger plants. They had the little cactus. I don't know how you say it. Thought that one was cute too, and I think that one was $5.55. Neck pillows and stuff for travel, of course. But this, another little Sherpa piece. I like a little Sherpa piece because it's just, so cozy. $5.55. And then this, I don't think I've seen this before. And it was kind of hefty too. A little tufted stool. So you have the tufted cushion up top, and then you're going to have the metal frame which it goes on, which I thought was cool. And then this, I think I've shown this before also, but I just think this is cute, the little copper side table. And if you don't like that color, you can paint it another color. All right, so that was our quick look around Five Below. Let me know what you thought, and I will see you in the next one.